Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall a game from Steam. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Steam application and of course be logged into your account. From this point, what we're going to be doing is coming to the top right of our library and we're going to be clicking on the home option right here. From this point, what we're going to be doing is coming to the left and here we can see a list of all of our games. What we're going to do is make sure this play button here is in blue. So we're highlighted to only show the games that are currently downloaded and installed on our computer. From this point, what we're going to be doing is selecting any game you would like to uninstall. In this case, I'm going to be using Magica as an example. What we can do is right click it, hover over manage, and then here we'll see the uninstall option. Click this, we'll then be brought to a pop-up to ask if we would like to uninstall or cancel. In this case, what we're going to be doing is clicking uninstall, and then you'll uninstall your game. Now, depending on your computer and depending on the size of the game, this can take a couple of seconds, but usually it's relatively quick, and just like that, you've uninstalled the game from Steam. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.